Welcome! Today we'll be explaining digital marketing for pet stores in 2 minutes. This video we will cover what is digital marketing, why you should use it, benefits for it, types of digital marketing, and lastly, provide some examples to help you get started. Firstly, what is digital marketing? Well, digital marketing are any marketing efforts that are being conducted online. Online channels can include social media, search engines like Google, or websites. Types of media that can be used for marketing include video, image, and/or text. Next, why should pet stores use digital marketing? Well, digital marketing is incredibly effective at reaching a wider audience. Here are some stats that show you can reach your audience through digital marketing. 65% of pet owners actually post about their pets on social media. There are 17.7 million users on Facebook that identify themselves as pet owners. To continue, we will talk about benefits of digital marketing. Digital marketing results are measurable and quantifiable. You can also personalize and customize your marketing efforts to your customers. You can also focus and target your marketing to your target audience. It's also cost effective. It can help you build relationships with your customers. And lastly, it is extremely easy to change or adapt your marketing whenever or however you need. You may be wondering what options you may have for digital marketing. And to help you with that, we've listed a few types here. There's SEO, or search engine optimization, social media marketing, email marketing, affiliate marketing, content marketing, and influencer marketing. Lastly, we'll be showing you some examples of digital marketing being used by pet stores. Here's a small local pet shop that is utilizing social media marketing by creating and promoting on their Instagram profile. Next, here's what a Google search looks like for pet store. You can use SEO marketing so that your store shows up first on the list. Lastly, here's an example for email marketing which PetSmart has used to encourage people to shop with them for Cyber Monday. Thanks for watching our digital marketing for pet stores in 2 minutes video, and we hope it was helpful. If you want to learn more about digital marketing for pet stores, check out our website linked down below. We've got lots of free information and a downloadable PDF pet store digital marketing guide.